Given that x plus 2y all over 5 is equals to x minus 2y, the question asks is to find the ratio x is to y. So let me attempt to answer this question. Solution to that: if I copy the expression or the relation x plus 2y all over 5 equals to x minus 2y, I'm asked to find what is x ratio y, meaning I should try to do as much as possible to have something like x over y equals to something by the right. So let's start. So what I will do is to clear this fraction by cross multiplying. So I have x plus 2y times 1 here. I have x plus 2y, and this 5 times here x minus 2. I have 5 bracket x minus 2y. So next is to expand the bracket. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times minus 2y is minus 10y. I'll continue collecting like terms now. The 5x shifted to the left hand side, and this 2y shifted to the right hand side. I'll have x minus 5x equals to minus 10y, then minus 2y. I'll continue. So collected like terms, x minus 5x is simply minus 4x, and minus 10y minus 2y is simply minus 12y. So I'll continue. Remember, we are targeting to get x over y equals to. So next I'll divide both sides by 4y. Dividing both sides by 4y, I have minus 4x divided by 4y equals to minus 12y divided by minus 4y. So by the left, minus 4 will cancel minus 4, so I'll be left with x over y alone. And by the right, minus 12 divided by minus 4 is simply minus 4 here, 1 minus 4 here will be 3. Y will cancel y. So I'm going to have x over y equals to 3 over 1. Y, remember, cancel this y, and 4 in 12 is nothing but 3. 4 in 4, 1, 4 in 12 is 3, so you have 3 over 1. So with this we can now write the ratio x is to y as 3 is to 1. So therefore x is to y will now be equals to, because x over y is equals to 3 over 1, which means ratio x is to y will now be ratio 3 is to 1. So this is the final result. So I was able to get the ratio of x is to y. With this I have answered this question. So let's see the mark distribution according to the Waec official marking scheme. The first mark is for clearing fraction. Is clearing this fraction where you cross multiply, you have the method 1 mark. For solving this in attempt to get x over y, you have the method mark. And for writing the ratio accurately, or for getting the ratio accurately as 3 is to 1, you have the accuracy 1 mark. So in total there are 3 questions here.